Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to find your Nintendo Switch Lite console serial number or model number. So just check bottom side, so you can see this serial number here. This is the serial number which should start with X. So this is the serial number. If you want to check the model number of Nintendo Switch Lite, just turn it. You can see this model number here. This is the model number. So this is the way you can identify. Also, one more thing, you can check your serial number within the console. Go to settings. Under settings, right, come to system and just scroll down. Here, see, you can check the serial number here. So this is your serial number and this is battery lot number. So this is the way you can identify your serial number on Nintendo Switch Lite. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.